Hello, hello. Good morning. Welcome to another ES Futures trading stream. This is Victor from streaming from Atlanta. Today is Monday, February 26th. It is 9:02 a.m. All right. There is something before. You wanna have something really quick, um, uh, re- really quick, fast update from the weekend. Please just check Jim's update here. It is a couple minutes, but it really has a ton of information. If you are doing your homework, this will be something really helpful. It will help you to compare where you are at, and also kind of like give you an idea what we can quote unquote expect for the week. But it is really helpful. If you're doing your homework, this will help you a lot. Okay. The overnight inventory is was 100% short. I can see zero here, right? And pretty much all of this inventory was below zero. Yeah, meaning that overnight traders were trying to short this market. Move the market down to the downside, and they just, they couldn't do it. And this was something very relevant, right? All this selling coming one tick from seller, and also we have the lower side, right? One tick from this distribution here. That's not, but it is the overnight. Now, if the market opens right now, what we will have here is a market opening at the center or inside previous day range, or inside Friday's range, which is an advertisement for chop, right? The odds of rotation are also high when the market opens on previous day. Inside previous day range is going to open, if it remains here, it may open inside value. This will be a tremendous, it will be something expected also. We have a gigantic gap here, incredible gap here. Breakout. This is a previous all-time high here. This is the last all-time high. Don't forget this. What? Previous all-time high. This is a breakout. This is a breakout. And very mechanical here. And right now, the market would be doing. This has all the signs of a counter-action to overnight inventory. The counter-action to overnight inventory is in progress here. Now you can see what happened here. This pullback low is an important reference. As long as the market doesn't trade below or doesn't take this one, there's nothing. There's no change relative to Friday as long as this level stays here. Any kind of rejection or this breakout, we'll see the market trading below this level here, below the 5,091.50 here. And after this kind of movement, this big breakouts, it's not unusual to have some sideways trading. And also, what do we have for this week? Well, what do we have for this week? What kind of events that can bring volatility to this market? to the market, right? Consumer confidence, maybe we have something here. Just be aware. If you have any position around this time, just no hedge, or I'd rather be flat there. GDP here. GDP here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 speakers, not Fed speakers. Any auction? 7-year no auction here. Oh, today we have a 1 p.m. Why not? Huh. The market is paying attention to these things as well. Consumer confidence here. What else? ISM, PMI final. Maybe. Well, it's Friday. Nothing else. Nothing relevant. Earnings are, I would say, are over. We don't have much. Let me save that. News and let me save that in my. Okay, no, we don't have earnings, relevant earnings, but let's check just in case. Let's have a look. Twitter here. I don't know what's whispers. Okay. What do we have here? Lows before. What else? Nothing else here. Nothing else. Not that relevant here. Let me just close. All right. Now, regarding okay, we still we have a GDP. We talk about GDP. Next week, let's see what this week. What's this? This week core PCE? Huh. Well, Thursday. Yeah, that's why I like this to check this calendar on Thursday. Huh. Yes. Yeah. I almost missed that. That's very important. That is going to be a really important thing or event that can bring volatility to the market. This one. The same day we have GDP Thursday, core PCE, and manufacturing here. This what is quarter? This is right quarter. This is Canada. My bad. GDP is on Wednesday. Okay. Let's save this one too. That's why I have these two calendars. I have trading economics. This is have Econoday gives me a quick look, right? Boom, really fast. If I want some details, I find this format also easy. I can customize here, the relative to the impact that they can have in the market. But most of the time, there's a bunch here when I have this only one stock here. If I use 3, this gives me most. And also, I don't care about the numbers, but It can also give you, you can have a look. You can have the numbers as well. Doesn't matter really. For what I do. All right. So Wednesday and Thursday. Wednesday GDP and Thursday PCE. Those are two important events. Now, there was a spike in the overnight. Was it? Yeah, there was a spike. This gap has been closed. It has nothing to do with, the overnight. No, also look how much volume this overnight had. Really low volume. Now, the last week, Friday, this area has really low volume. I think it has some also upside continuation, but my references, my short-term references in this market, in the upside are these, right? The market has formed two distributions here. Closing the distribution, I think increases the odds of, a one-time framing, or the market doing or keeping one-time framing higher. Trading inside this area will give us a balance, and below this low here, notice how many times this market was bought from this area. Notice, just check where traders are being buying from. The 5100 also. Well, there is a lot of information here as well. Notice where POC is. How many times this market was sold and brought back to his sold, brought back, sold, brought back, sold, brought back, sold, brought back. Multiple times. Traders are really, we're not having the rewards for the efforts to sell this market. It was just not there. But also, it didn't have nothing to the upside. Nothing. If you remember Friday, when the market opened with a gap and tried to keep going higher, it's just a stall here. I guess it was one of these levels. I don't know what level it was. I don't know why I have this mark here. I don't know well, but it stayed at one of these levels like for 5 minutes, man, without moving at all. The market just stalled. And then we have an inside bar, and trade guidelines go with the breakout of the inside bar. Next, close the gap, and was bought just very close to the late pullback low from Thursday. I don't have any bias here. At least that's what I want to believe. I understand the market has tremendous amount of weakness in the lower side. Let me do something else. Please. Let me put this on Twitter that the stream is going on. Hello, here it is. There you go. This is a. Oh, look at where the overnight POC is. This is interesting here. This is the upper distributions close and overnight low. Very mechanical trading going on here. There is not too much to say to see here. I don't have any urge to place any trades here. I'm not at the opening. The only thing that may catch my attention here is if this market just opens and boom, trades to the upside, for example, and closes this distribution. Right? That will put this high as a potential destination, and that will be something. Closing this distribution here and getting in this range. That's on the upper side. I don't think that this low is strong. Okay, I may expect the market kind of like trading as well and taking some of these single prints out. And we have a prominent overnight PSC. After that, I don't have much to say. I will just wait until the opening. If you have any question, please just let me know. I'll be here to comment or to answer any questions you may have. Jim, just for whoever's interested, Jim has a live webinar coming on Wednesday at 11 a.m. It's just a history if you are interested. I always talk. I have tremendous. Amount of gratitude for Jim because I think the way he doesn't teach you how to trade. Right? What he does is he teaches. He's a mentor. He teaches you how to see the markets. To understand, he helps you to understand how to learn how markets work, what are the dynamics of the market. I am very grateful because if not for him, I wouldn't be here. Now, what I do here with the streams, I started doing the streams to help me to keep my focus in the market, because most of the time I would drift away from the screens on my mind would just drift away and start, before knowing I would be watching some YouTube's shorts, clips, movies, doing anything by being focused in the market. The stream, that was the original idea of the stream, to keep myself, by talking about the session, it will keep me to remain, it would force me to remain focused in the market. It has worked. Then it has become, with time, it kind of gets in the way, right? It gets in the way. It doesn't allow me to, now that I have improved my focus, I can stay here all day long, watching the markets, doing my job, which is what a trader does, watch the markets. Trading, the performing part, is just a minimal. I can be here 8 hours, for example, and we'll spend trading 20 minutes, with positions, sometimes more. But most of the time is watching, trying to understand what's happening, reading, imagining scenarios, possibilities, which scenario have better odds, what can happen here, what is happening, what happened yesterday, what happened last week, what we have in schedule, what we have in deck for tomorrow, or for later today, or for later in the week, stuff like that. Something that have to consider for this contract, for example, is that it doesn't have too much time left. If you check your calendars, the third week of March is going to be the 15th. Okay, the 15th, basically the 15th. And this contract, as it is, may have maybe about 1.5 to 2 weeks, and that's it. The rollover period, I think there is some rollover going on now. But it will increase maybe when? Could be 11, 12, or 13. Oh no, yeah, it could be 11th, March 11th, or maybe March 8th. This is where we will see the bulk and a huge amounts of volume there. How you can see that something that can give you an idea is this, for example. You just check the CME group website, and we check the volume here. For example, Friday, how much volume we have for the June contract? 7,000. All right. They'll say, 11,000. That has decreased, right? This is weird. Has decreased. Wednesday, 4,000. Tuesday, 3,000. It increases. This is the first time I see decreasing volume. Usually it goes higher. This is interesting here. All right. This is what you see. You will see this going higher and higher, and this one, which is March, going lower and lower and lower. All right. I keep track of that. I have I write. I take notes of my these are I have the dates here. Total volume CME, settled and last. Let's see when the last time this contract. When was the last time? How much volume we have? This is for example. This is when the contract expires here, and this is when the rollover kind of like starts, right? 35,000 here, 35, 60, 90, 200,000, 1, 2 million. 2 millions, this is it, this day here. And then during this time, the market will start to see or trade based on references in both contracts. Just take a look. What's happening, for example, now is, the current contract has settled in at 5,100. Right, and June contract, just remember, June contract is 5,162, 5,162. There's 60 points difference. The 5,000 can be really close if I check March, but if I check June, has way, has almost 50%, 60 points higher, 160. Above the 5,000, it's quite a thing. Those are little things that most traders, don't pay attention to. There can be, for example, if this contract right now is going to go back to the 5,000, this can break 160 points to go to 5,000. Okay, but March contract will be below 5,000, will be 59.50, right? And by the time the new contract takes place, it will be just around 5,000 again. Just take a look. Those are things that sometimes is worth pay attention to. I will start pay attention to the references in the new contract next week. I will start to, I will upload this instead of being H4, it will be M, and we will start to grab new levels. I will copy and paste these levels, but the ones that are going to have kind of like be more relevant are the ones that are going to start next week. And those ones can have an impact in this contract as well, in this market. Even though both are the ES, are two different markets. Little things, right? Just little things. Sometimes matters. Sometimes the market pays attention to that. Sometimes it just don't care. When the market has conviction, it just moves in one direction, and there's nothing that can get in the way. All right. 3 minutes before the opening. 3 minutes before the opening. If you have any questions, please let me know, or comments. Nasdaq. Let's talk. Let's see what can do. What can we do about Nasdaq here? All right. Okay. I don't think I can do. What happened with Nasdaq? I will pay attention to these levels in Nasdaq. This one right now is right at this volume node here. If this one is clear, the next area can be this one. I am still keeping this pullback. This pullback is not from this day, from Friday, but from Thursday. The market has traded way below that. But value is, overlapping to this level, and value is actually overlapping higher, and the ES value is higher actually. And you can see there is a space here between Thursday and Friday. Regarding the bond market, the bond market is having a break. It opened inside. The first thing it opened inside Friday's range, and now it's having some kind of sale in there. Well, I'm paying attention to those markets as well, especially 15 there. All right. Okay. I haven't seen any big volumes blocks coming since 2 weeks ago. This is not unusual. Especially in times like this when there is when we have the rollover period. Okay? All right. Let's see what the market has for us. Market is open. Let's trade. Let's go short. Let's go long. Let's go short. Let's go long. Okay, be calm. Relax. Let the market settle. The opening is, market is opening inside previous range, really close to POC, a little bit below in the ES. So there's some taper here. Buying from Settle. Overnight inventory, remember, is 100% short. The counteraction to overnight inventory is a rally. Okay? This is why I left this reference here from this day. Let's see, okay. We have a counteraction to overnight. We have a counteraction to overnight short inventory. Shorts are being squeezed out of the market right now. Overnight shorts. This area and this area here are heavy areas. Now, if the market takes this area, there can be some selling coming here, for example, right? Okay. Nice taper here. Notice where the market came to, half back. This is Nasdaq. Well, came to POC, and there's some selling coming. Very mechanical activity going on here, even though it's just the market has just opened. What? The market is inside value. Lot of chop here. Let the market settle. We don't get too impatient, too anxious to trade here. Something that happens often is traders will see this, right? Okay, the next time I will sell. When the market opens and comes to halfback or comes to POC, I will sell it. It's not that. It's not like that. It is always matter. You need to put things in context. You know, that's very important. It's very important. You know, we have the 5100 right there. Now this market, notice how this market has a stall here. This is just, but notice also where it is, right? Where it is, right there. POC is right there. Now, halfback is having upside condition. What is the next thing here? You know, I would expect the market getting out of value area. If the market keeps going higher, but cannot get out of this value area, for example, that's one thing as well. Now, what is the main reference in the upper side? Remember what we were talking early today? What it is? If you don't remember that, you need some work to do, right? Because that's what happens when we start to trade. We do homework, we start writing reference, have a plan, and as soon as the market opens, everything goes out of the window. We were talking about this level here. Closing the distribution is the main. It is the main reference in the upper side, short-term reference, right? This high here and this low here, right? Because a bunch of times the market tried to sell and was just rejected. It didn't have downside continuation below the 5100 here. So there's a lot of buying also from this level, that's mechanical level. Okay. Now some volume is coming here. Let's see, we have at least a couple thousands here. These two marks here are from Friday. We have volume coming to the man. Did you see where the buying come from? It came just to here and then zoop. But traders don't have this reference. You know, if you check And no, you won't find any trader that have this level as reference, the 15 and 1450. I don't see this. But there is something here. Huh? There is something here. The sellers, the traders were selling here from this level, now are buying from that. Huh? This tell me that's mechanical. It's a mechanical reference. This one here. Short-term traders here, but not the shortest one. These are traders that have some kind of buying power here. On this market, Nasdaq has a tendency to overshoot. It always overshoot. If you have, for example, you have Halbach here, or this high, for example, is this high as well. It is a double reference. It has low odds to remain because notice it's Halbach and also the previous day high as well. Then we have the 5100 there too. Most traders will see this high here. This level also is Halbach here. My bad. POC, Friday's POC. But can you see how wide POC is here? POC could have been here as well. That also can give you some context about the buying that is coming from this level here. Notice where this market is buying. Did you see? Did you see it's coming from opening? There could be something to the downside here. If this one keeps coming one more time, for example, and then goes a rally, that can be something to the downside. But I'm not going to short, for example, just because it's bought from there. I will need to see something else. Maybe the market tries to attempt a rally, and then it just dries. It just dries. There's no new buying coming, right? There's no new buying coming. That will give me the context, because this can be a counteraction to overnight inventory. Remember, overnight inventory is 100% short, and this is removing the shorts from this market. But it's something that can mislead traders. No, this market is strong, right? The market is strong. The markets are open here, and now we are up here or up here. Okay, this is our first 1,000 here. I will remove these ones. Oh, look at here, 6,000 first. I guess yes, I will use. I'm still watching this. How much? 40. I'm going to have low volume also today. Okay, this is the second time this market is coming to the open. Okay, that low has been taken. No? But did you see? Coming to the opening, a couple ticks below, and it's been bought. If I have a bunch of thousands here, and then the market rally, this can be a base, for example, right? You notice, for example, it has this is going higher. The market is going higher, right? Friday is going higher, and this volume here, this node of volume wasn't taken out. Market came back, kind of traded half into this area, and it's been bought from that. I still don't know what the market is going to do. Why I want short? Why I want long? Why I want to be long? Why I want to be short? Just be patient. Give the market time to sell. And okay, I have another one here. There's something here. You have this is increasing 7,000, but notice how it dries. But notice you have exactly. What is that? Halbach, right? This high doesn't give. This high doesn't give me too much confidence. Okay, we have another 1,000 here, another 1,000 here, another 1,000 here, another 1,000 here. Another 1,000 here. It's coming. Volume is coming just above the opening. Another 1,000 here. Another one here. Okay, it's filling. Okay, notice that the market doesn't care about this area here. And it goes from here, 900. Let's go short. Let's go long. Easy, relax. Can you see it's jumping from this, from these levels to here, right? 100 here. Another 900 here. Did you see that? It just jumps from here to here. It's not interested in this area here. Alright, there's some selling there. Okay. All this volume is coming. All this is pushing this market to the downside. Let's see how far they can take the market. Now this is how this field, or this one's filled. This level's filled with 1,000, and then they are pushing. These traders are pushing, just pushing the market lower. Let's see if they can have something. I'm just watching what's happening. Okay, that's for context. For context for what? For example, I don't know what's going to happen. They're buying from seller. This may come close to this area as well. Close to seller. But not, can you see, it's not... It's having a little bit hard times, okay? There you go. There we go. Alright, notice that where that market has been bought from seller, right? This is not going to last. That is going to be taken. Alright, that now has been taken. Okay, and that was it. Once this level is taken, that's it. You can go short here. Very tight stops, and as soon as this level is taken, you're out. And why I would be out here, for example? I don't trade the openings, but because the way how the market was going lower, this is how it was going, like was having, trying to push, but it just doesn't have it. It wasn't that confident. Okay. So when the market stopped here, now if there is something serious here, the market will just come back through the saddle, with ease and keep trading lower and lower. Now my new short-term reference is this area here. Did you see how the market was pushing here, building, accumulating volume here, and then it has a resolution to the downside. But still, we are inside previous day range. This is an inside day so far. We are just 15 minutes into the first period. It seems like we can have a little bit higher volume maybe here. Well, now the next thing, let's see how the ES takes sale. We have the 51 right there as well. The market has get out of value. Nasdaq has get out of value area, and it just came back here. $5,100. Surprise, surprise. Who would know 5,100 would be a reference, right? Okay. And having here, getting outside. Let's see if this market can take last. Then this POC this level will be monitoring the market for downside continuation. Now I am not interested in the volume. I'm interested in the previous reference I have now. Notice where this has been bought. Hard back here. I was going with the bond market, still going lower. The mechanical high, mechanical low, inside day. There's a bunch of volume here in the lower side in this area, and this area. You know, the market can be this is Nasdaq. Okay, can be attracted to this area. Watch out. Remember, one of the exceptions to the chop we have is if the market fingerprint is way out of the previous range. We're still inside previous range. We still have 10 more minutes. To go. Okay, for today I am going to watch 7,000, okay, in the ES. This nice taper here, but I don't like this higher, but just a couple of ticks from Halbach, couple of ticks from Halbach, couple of ticks from POC, couple of ticks from overnight high, very mechanical high here, very mechanical low as well. I just scratch a trade here, I went short here, that trade is over. Now Nasdaq has came out outside Friday's value area. Alright, I will monitor that. But this market is very mechanical. I always trade very mechanical. The way how it trades very mechanical. I was talking to one Discord friend. I was saying that there was last week, there's less risk in the short side once the market takes this level here, for example, right? And this is a location too. You have this level here. How the market will how can you know that you are wrong? You know, it's very close to this level here, very close to the low. Notice the potential to the downside here is huge here. What I do, this is just personal, very personal, right? All this push that we're having now is coming from this area. Okay, the next time the market comes back up here, if it comes back, If it trades through, so this will be over. This will be out, can be out. If it sells from, from this level right here, okay, they are still here, right? You can see they are still here. Maybe adding or dollar averaging or whatever. I don't know. I don't know what they're doing. Nobody knows what they're doing. Nobody knows who is doing. Nobody knows who is there as well. Right? So trade what you have in front of you. Trying to figure out who is doing what, or trying to figure out, big money is here, whales are selling. That's just a waste of time. It takes away so much, resources. We remove our focus from the market and start trying to figure out, things that we can, are just useless. Notice the ES, for example. This is the value. This is Thursday. Friday is building value above Thursday, and now we are just in this area, just like that. Okay? Nothing has happened. Nothing has changed relative to this day, to Thursday. Nothing has changed. If I'm going to make an assessment, if I'm going to say something about this market, then the market is to the upside, and the trend remains to the upside. Why I would short, right? If I short something, I have to be very careful. Need to find location and always trade with stops. Always. So why you wouldn't use a stop, right? If you don't use stops, it means that you know what the market is going to do. And if you think that you know what the market is going to do, then you are a serious risk to yourself. You are putting yourself in danger. We don't know what's going to happen. It's still an inside day. Both markets have come out of range. I think maybe that was a reaction to the sell-off that happens in the bond market. Who knows? You have only 5 more minutes to go. And now I don't think the market is going to have this amount of volume. I think it's going to be lower now. Maybe it's same or a little bit lower than Thursday. Than Friday. And look what happened Friday. Friday is a low day. Okay? Take it easy, one step at a time. Okay, there was an opportunity here. Okay, here or here, whichever market you are trading. And I like another reason why I like the ES is that the opportunity takes some time to develop. If you are wrong, okay, it doesn't move that fast. So if you are wrong here, before you know it, the market is, if you, for example, you are going long here, before you know it, the market is down here. Or the opposite also happens. So you're short here or somewhere. As soon as this level is taken, it gives an opportunity. Remember when the market just was bought exactly from seller, that was an opportunity to sell. And as soon as the market took this one, move the stop to break even or a couple ticks or take some profits, half of your position or whatever, do something, right? The least you can do, the less you can do is just move to break even. That's why I always try to move my stops to break even, especially in this market here. It's just, and then monitor the market. Did you notice what happened when it went through the first time? It just kind of like a drive, right? And how it was doing, how the market was moving lower, also was Okay. It's still I don't have high. Still, this market is to the upside for me. You know, as long as this low is not taken, this low now this low is it's not a good one. Though. Any questions? Sometimes when I'm trading, I just realize, oh my god, I just took a nap. I just fall asleep. I rather fall asleep on the chair. But those naps are really good, very healthy. It's kind of like you need it, right? 5-10 minutes napping. Because if I leave the chair and go to coach or maybe to the bed, I will sleep 1 or 2 hours. Then when I'm super tired, that's something I do. I just leave, right? I cannot concentrate. I cannot focus on what the market is doing. So it's better just to rest. All right. Okay. Remember, market opening inside previous range is an advertisement for shop. The also rotations are high. What is rotation, right? Rotational days, you need to know what rotational days are. Hybrid, trending days are. What? They also having a rotational day are higher than we have inside openings. The closer to the center, the higher the odds. Notice what else do we have right there? The 5100. 5100. The power, the magical 5100. Home sales are dropping here. I don't like the bond market. As good odds that market is going to break. We can take advantage of this. Okay, look at this. Oh no, I thought it was 1,000. Oh no, my bad. My bad. Never mind. I think that this market can happen. Because the bond market is just because of that bond market, man. Just because of that. But let's see. Inside buy. What do we have in the upper side? Hard back. Third here. Can be something here. Selling from this one is high. Buying from this one, buying from this. Very short term trading going on here. I want to show. Let me tell you something. I want to short this mark. Okay, keep a little bit high. Go. I won't short from here. This is I don't like this level. Come on, I need a rally here. Or maybe I need to let the mark settle, right? What about that? What about that? If I just do what I say, that would be better, right? Okay. Let the market settle. You never know when opportunities. The thing is, you never know when opportunities come. And if I look for a trade here, I will find a trade. And most of the time, it's a wrong trade. Give me a second, please. I need a cup of water. Okay, I just noticed something here. This level here, it's the same area from Friday. There's a bunch of lows here now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lows here. Just it's not heavy, But the fact it would be different if there is no 51. I think the traders are buying. I think I'll buy. The market is not having acceptance from below this level, but it's buying. The buying that's coming is weak here, very short term. I'm going to consider the buyers weak here. Now there is no volume here. When the market has no volume, it's easier. Markets have the tendency to rally on low volume. That's also another thing. The taper we have in the upper side, now it's coming in the lower side. Where the buyers are coming from. 51, right? So the selling is mechanical here, the buying is mechanical here. Which one is going to be still inside there, right? Don't lose the perspective. Don't miss the perspective, just remain. Let's see if this rally can challenge this volume here. AB, I'm going to remove this. That's too much. This is profile here, and I have here histograms. This is window trader, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, look at that. There's some buy here, right? Look at what they're selling here. Don't tell me you want to sell from this level. I guess my main reference is this area here. Market is back inside value area. This was the volume original from Friday. Notice where it came to the center. First it was bought from the center, now it's being sold from the center. Remember, from the opening we say that the odds of rotation were high today. The market still doesn't have any direction. I can't say that this market is going higher. Today, I'm talking about just today, right? This the intraday frame. The daily is going higher. The intraday can go higher, or I can say that it's going lower. And both can be right. It is just a matter of perspective. Okay? There's nothing clear now. I'm cheating here. Okay, inside bar. Any thousand here? Oh, look at that. I missed it. No, this is the accumulated. I should remove this one here. It's giving me. What I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the daily today here. Okay, so I have duplicated here. Alright. This is the first period, this is the second period, and this is the accumulated. Okay, well, I can put the daily on the left. Yours move us left. What? Okay. I want to do that now. This is the accumulated, and this is AAB. Inside bar. This is interesting. Volume is drying up here. This is the second time the volume dries here in the years. And this one, the taper is even better than here. This belongs to A, and this is B. I think the odds. I think the odds for, I don't want to say it, but maybe the odds to the downside are improving. Doesn't mean the market is going to have a big break, but let's see. Now this level is holding this area here. This area here. If the market takes this, Nasdaq for example takes this area back, now that is resistance, this can become support, right? You can have some acceleration because all of these shorts, all of these traders that were expecting the market to have a break, we see that they have failed, and more likely they will cover here. And that cover can, momentum can join, momentum trades can join that movement, and force, or fuels an upside movement. That's one A scenario. It is hard. It is hard to focus in the market. What is for me, right? To focus and talk about what we are watching, or what you are doing, and all the scenarios that are developing in your head. when I don't speak that much, when I don't talk that much, it's because I'm thinking here. What can, know what's going on? I am alert, right? I'm alert. That, maybe there's something. There can be something here. This volume and this volume has been removed. This volume was going higher. Now they are not in the market. They are being replaced. You can see the accumulated volume is down here. Down here. This can be some right above saddle, right? As I said before, we were talking that I still don't know what the market is doing. I don't know if this market is going higher. I can say it's going higher. I can also say it's going lower. Right? I'm talking about the intraday, not the daily. The intraday. Man, that bond market is having a nice break. Now we have a better taper here. Just below. Again, how many times this market is going to buy from the fight for the 5100? This is, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times now. So many times the market has come through. I can also interpret that this market trying to sell here, and but if this market trades below this level, the hair can break loose here. Now it is safer. I was gonna say is the this is better here, better location. You have better location down here than up here. Volume is very low. You have higher volume though. Look at this. Just check it out. It should be here, right? It seems like you're going to have a little bit higher. It's very subtle. Very subtle. There's volume coming here. This is New York Stock Exchange. Composite volume. So another time to sell below, another time to sell. It's just not having it here, man. I can see that there is some, the market is trying. If the action is not successful to the downside, the next thing the market can do is just, oh boy. This volume here is just accumulating on top of this one. It's a lot of back and forth around the 5100. Alright. Alright. It's coming through this level, this area here. Notice it just dries here. One contract at the top. No, man, the bond market is having a nice break there. Right? It's eating, chewing this area here. Man, sorry. It's just I don't see anything here right now. No, sorry, I don't. How many trades have you put? How many times have you traded today? How many times you were short? How many times you were long? It's a lot of chop here. Lots of chop. When Nasdaq does this kind of does this kind of stuff, once this level is taken, it can has a spike to the upside, like boom, really fast, and that also can be very misleading. You need to learn, you need to know your markets, right? And the way how Nasdaq reacts or behaves is different than the ES. Very different than the ES. Didn't see any volume here. Alright. Oh, look at this. Look at this. I've got 1,000 here. Solitary 1,000 here. Oh, my bad. This is accumulated. This is accumulated. I thought it was B. I need to put this on the left side. You change daily. Move bars left, okay? Yeah. What? What about this? The heck? What? Damn. Where are my TPOs here? Oh, TPOs went away as well when I removed this thing. Gosh, I need to do something here. Okay, accumulated TPOs A, B. I need to remove this thing. Alright. That's better. Accumulated volume, TPO chart, current period. Alright. Low chop, right? Inside the day, inside the bar. Any questions? It is 10:25. Unless there's any question or comments, I'm going to call it a day. And wish you guys a wonderful rest of the day. Stay safe. Have a wonderful trading day. Alright? Okay. If I see something, I will probably post something on Twitter. Right now, I see there's no interest in selling this market here. So what this level is getting weaker and weaker and weaker. No, it's not a 51, but I would say maybe the 98, 50, 98. So about this area below the 51 here. Okay. The upper side, this one, the 51, 12.75 is my important. Is a very important reference on the upper side, and the lower side has, which one was it? I guess this one here. I will call it and not taking this, closing this distribution here as what the 87. Okay, alright guys. Once again, have a wonderful trading day. Bye bye.